Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. So it has gone really sunny this week, I'm pleased to say. So I am going to share with you my summer home tour and hopefully give you a bit of inspiration for putting nice pops of summer colour into your home. But also, as you know I do, use some of these ideas perhaps in your dollhouse. So I'm going to give you a quick dollhouse update to start with. To let you know how it's been going. So obviously I'm busy making things. I've put a floor in the bathroom and I'm sort of coming up with ideas. I'm going to do some more paneling, I think, in the bathroom, and I've got a floor for the kitchen. So it's all sort of starting to take shape, but I did want to just share with you that I have changed the living room a little bit since the last time I shared it with you last week. So it's the first floor living room now. And initially I thought it wouldn't work with the settee in the corner and the fireplace on the side. But actually, as you can see, it actually does. So I have changed the layout of it, and I just wanted to show you that today. So you can see that it can be done. However, I did say in my video last week that I was thinking of making two new settees that could go either side of the fireplace. And somebody did suggest, I think it was another Amanda actually, that I have a go at doing perhaps a yellow settee to go with the wallpaper and the paneling, because yellow and blue go very nice together. So I bought this top. It's a nice sort of silky feel top, silky woolen top from the car boot for £1 at the weekend. And I've started to make my settees out of two Bath and Body Works candle boxes, actually. So because they were the identical box, I thought, I can make identical settees. So that's what I've just got started, and obviously as soon as I've finished it I will share it with you. So hopefully you will stick with me and have a look round the house as I take you around the living room, the dining room, the hall, the kitchen and a little bit upstairs. I haven't changed much in the bathroom, so I'm just going to show you the bits that are summery. And as the weather has got nice, I will be getting into the garden this week, I think. So I will be sharing you my patio makeover and garden tour with you soon. So hopefully it all starts to get you feeling lovely and summery. So please stay tuned and have a little look round with me. So I got this really cute sign from Amazon. I was really pleased with it. It was £12. It's a beautiful sign, but the added element is it has a Velcro place where the O is, and it comes with many different little wooden motifs that can be changed to personalise the season, which I think is absolutely fabulous. So I've put it in the porch, and I'm just showing you here all the summery ones that I've got. So sort of each day, depending on how we feel and what the weather's like, we can change the O in our welcome to our home. So I thought it was so cute. Here are all the ones that it came with. So there's like birthdays, there's Valentine's, Easter, winter, summer, Halloween, Thanksgiving, it's just fabulous. So I just wanted to share that with you and say, definitely really good quality as well. Very impressed with that. And I could even make some of my own and just get some little Velcro. So that's loads of opportunities with that. And at the same time, actually, I bought some lovely lavender, which you can see here, that I've added from Amazon also for £8. There was 20 pieces of lavender in there for £8, which is fantastic. And you'll probably see that I've used them all around the home. So I just wanted to share with those two buys that I got from Amazon recently. Here's a shot of another recent purchase I bought from Holcomb Dream Interiors, which is a little small business on Instagram. Beautiful pair of angel wings. Mum always wanted some, so I've got to them, and we've put them on the staircase. I think they're pretty sweet. And actually at the top of the stairs, we've got some pampas grass that I got recently from the range, I think. I think I got one from somewhere else as well. It might have been Home Bargains. But they're lovely, sort of dark shade of pink and light shade of pink, and there's a cream one as well. Nice and summery, I thought, just to spruce up the landing. So those are the new things that we've bought. And here are two more new things. This basil and thyme pictures, which I think look lovely in the kitchen, but also nice and summery. And then here's a couple of chopping boards. Bought those recently. I think the lemony one was from TK Maxx, and then the plastic lemons, actually got those last year. So just bought a few little things just to add to the summer decor, and then obviously looked around things that we had before. So and that's another new little purchase there. That milk frother, which is absolutely brilliant. It really does froth your milk up, and it's fantastic in your coffee. So those are the things we've bought recently. And so here's that basil candle from Primark. Smells absolutely delicious. Got a bee tea towel there, which is nice for the summer. And I think that was from Dunelm last year. Bought this utensil jar not long ago also, with lovely copper detailing on. And then the lemon bowls that we have around the house we actually bought when we was in Italy. But funnily enough, TK Maxx Home Sense do actually sell very similar thing made in Italy too. We bought that little scrubbing brush from Home Sense when we was in there last. And obviously the soap is Bath and Body Works, which is beautiful because it's foaming hand soap. So it's very good for the environment, as well as smelling beautiful and make your hands soft. There's another bit of that new lavender that I got, and that's a lovely bottle basket, but we've put flowers in it and it looks fabulous. And there's some pops of yellow with our dishcloths, and I think the kitchen's just looking lovely, fresh and ready for the summer, ready for the hot days and the G&Ts. So thanks for watching. As always, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next week. So for now, take care. Bye bye.